how to compare two tables and highlight the differences. So if you want to compare two tables and highlight the differences, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your Excel sheet. Once you're here on the Excel sheet, you need to just go with the tables. So in my case, I have these two tables, right? So you need to just select the table, the other table, and then go with conditional formatting and go with new rule. And under new rule, you need to go with use a formula to determine which cells to format. And here you need to enter the formula. So the formula goes like equals to and select the cells. Once you've selected the cells, just go with format and then go with fill, and here you can simply choose a color. Go with OK, enter the formula, which is equals to count if, and then open the bracket and select the cell or select the row or column, and then give it a comma, and then select the other cell or the other table, and after that close the bracket and go with format, which is here on the bottom right, and then select the color, go with OK, and again click on OK. Every product is different from the other cell. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.